Moving on to the next question in the series of gate driven before EC solution from circuit, digital circuits. Next question is again of 2 marks, MCQ type. Again this time multiple choice question having only one correct answer. Question number 41 in the master official question paper of gate driven before EC subject digital circuits. From propagation delay in Mach circuit is as follows. Question number 41, 2 marks, MCQ type is given. The propagation delay of the 2 into 1 marks shown in the circuit is 10 nanoseconds. Consider the propagation delay of the inverter as 0 nanoseconds. Consider the propagation delay of the inverter as 0 nanoseconds. Right. Circuit is given something like this. One marks. Once the time is there is 0, 1. Is what it is given if S is set to 1. S select line is set to 1. Then the options we choose one option. Then the output Y is. Then the output Y. Output Y is option A. A square wave of frequency. megahertz. B, a square wave of frequency. megahertz. Option C, constant at 0 and option D, constant at 1. Let's move on to solution to this question. This is also a pretty simple question from conventional circuits with propagation delay. Propagation delay क्या होता है? थोड़ा बहुत जो डिले होता है कोई भी डिवाइस से इनपुट से आउटपुट में जाने का समय, इनपुट मिलने के बाद आउटपुट जनरेट करने का जो समय होता है उसको प्रोपगेशन डिले बोलते हैं. Here the propagation delay of the Mach is given as 10 nanoseconds, while propagation delay of inverter is given as 0 as inverter. Right? When S is set to 1, S is set to 1 means basically this line will be selected, that is Y bar, that is Y will toggle. Right? Y of at the next instant, Y of say T plus TPT, because there is a propagation delay. After the propagation delay, Y will toggle because the input selected here is Y bar. Is Y bar, right? With the propagation delay. So after the time delay, the output will toggle to its value at the time instant before the delay occurs. That is this. T plus TPT, value of Y will be the inverted value of Y at T equal to T. Right? So basically Y will toggle after every TPT time. So basically Y initially set to 1. So initially, let's say Y is 1. Let's say after 10 seconds, what at T equal to 0, the value going to the input is here is 0. Here is 1 with the inverted to 0. So here the input value is 0. So after the propagation delay, say TPD, again y will toggle to will fall back to 0. Now again after TPD, there is 2 TPD, 2 with TPD, the value will rise from here 0. 0 means through the inverter the output will be 1. So that the input line we are getting as is equal to 1, this will be selected. So 1 will again pass to y. So y will again rise to 1 at t plus TPD, that is t equal to 2 TPD. So this process will continue here. Cyclic model 10. And what is the frequency? As you can see, is y basically digital output y of the 2 into 1 marks. What is the frequency? Frequency need to find. This is not a constant as 0 or 1. You can see if it is 1 initially it will fall to 0, if it is 0 initially it will rise to 1. This is happening in a cyclic manner. So frequency cycle में कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा. फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या हो जाएगा इसका? एक साइकिल को मिलने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? ये TPD और TPD 2 TPD ये एक साइकिल हुआ. This is the time period. Frequency f is what? 1 by time period. So this is 1 by 2 TPD as t equal to 2 TPD. Propagation into 1 by 2 into propagation delta. Marks is given as 2 TPD marks. Let's say 10 nanoseconds. So 1 by 2 into 10 nanoseconds, that 1 by 20 nanoseconds. So 1 by 20, 10 to the power minus 9 Hertz. So take 10 to the power 9 up, so 10 to the power 9 by 20 Hertz. So we take 10 to the power 6 outside, so it will be 1000 by 20. Because 6 is taken here, because the frequency is megahertz. Mega means 2 to 6. So take 10 to the 6 out, what remains is the frequency megahertz. 1000 by 20 is basically 50. So the frequency of this output of the output y of the max is 21 max is 50 megahertz. The waveform will be like this or like this. It will cyclic at whatever time instant you start. तो इस तरह से वैल्यू फ्रीक्वेंसी का वैल्यू मिल जाता है 50 हर्ट्ज और ये टॉगल करता रहेगा स्क्वायर रूट में किधर बन गया टॉगल करता है स्क्वायर रूट किधर बन गया of frequency 50 hertz. So that answer to this question is option B. We explained how the circuit behaves, combination circuit behaves with the marks propagation is 10 nanosecond and then inverter time will be 0. If S is set to 1, then this one line is selected and the input here is the inverted value of y, output y. So y bar. After so y bar at t will be reflected as y at the output after propagation delay of TPD. This is the basic output equation. Based on this, we can draw this waveform of the output y, and from the waveform we can calculate. We can write this one frequency by taking the inverse reciprocal of time period. Input because here 2 TPD twice the propagation delay of mass. So 20 nanosecond, 120 nanosecond convert मिल जाता है 50 hertz का. So I have explained the solution and also the steps how to approach and get the answer. Hope the solution is clear. Student doubts or queries for this simple question based on computational circuits with propagation delay, please feel free to ask in the comments and I will get to answer. And that's all for solution to this question. Thank you.